I'm Glenn Everitt, and welcome to my brand new show, Master of Machines.
Yeah, baby! This is living! Living the dream! Woo! Yeah! That was great! Give it a... Yes! Oh, this thing's amazing! Yes! That's what I'm talking about. An old truck that looks like this. Goes like a damn rocket ship. It's going to be great.
Sounds awesome, and it's bloody fast, let me tell you.
I have spent some serious money on this car.
Hang on, your wife's watching. She's going to be watching this.
Yes, well, perhaps we might just have to suggest to her
should we edit that out?
We should probably edit that out a little bit. What the? Oh, baby.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Master of Machines.